Hello guys! To make the list of these hidden tools, we have put in a lot of effort. Here in this video, you'll get some extraordinary solution that you've probably never seen before. So why wasting more time? Get yourself ready for our first product, Hose2Go. This is one of those tools that feels like it was made with professionals in mind. Designed to deliver 14 liters of pressurized water at 7 to 10 psi for up to 30 minutes, it's perfect for dust suppression and cooling, without needing pumps, batteries, or electronics. Whether it's dust suppression or cooling, this portable water supply has you covered. It's lightweight, easy to carry with its shoulder strap or dual handles, and the 3-meter hose gives you nearly 20 feet of reach, so you can tackle any part of the job site without hassle. Plus, the versatile fittings mean you can refill it from just about any water source. Specially made for job sites around the world, the Hose2Go is simple, tough, and absolutely reliable tool that will surprise you every single day. Don't be fooled by its simple look. This Tracer ProScribe is an incredible solution for carpenters, joiners, and anyone working with kitchens, flooring, or furniture. It's a compact, all-in-one scribing tool that comes with a durable carry case, a deep hole pencil, and extra leads. Everything you need to get marking right away. Using it is super simple, and it's versatile enough to handle over 15 different marking applications. The tool features adjustable points, so you can control the pencil's position and angle perfectly. For parallel marking, like along skirting boards, worktops, or doors, you just set the pencil to your desired offset distance and mark a straight parallel line. For trickier jobs like profile marking, you can rotate the pencil perpendicular to the base and adjust the arm to achieve the exact offset you need. The key to accuracy is to keep the tool perpendicular to the guide surface and let the metal guide trace the contours while transferring the profile onto your surface. Being honest, we have picked the next tool just to make sure all the welders remain safe. The HEROLASER T1 is a lightweight, all-in-one laser machine to make every metalworker's task a breeze. This tool is packed with smart features like AI-driven laser technology and advanced wobble welding, which makes working on tricky shapes a lot easier than the traditional tools. Whether you're welding stainless steel up to 2.5 millimeters thick or cutting aluminum up to 1.8 millimeters, the T1 delivers precise, clean results every time. With a powerful 700-watt laser and a design that's not just compact, but super sleek, it's also up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. Plus, it's easy to use, so you can focus more on getting the job done and less on figuring out the tool. If you're serious about professional metalwork, the HEROLASER T1 is the ultimate partner you didn't know you needed. Worried about the cleaning hassle of those overgrown weeds in your yard? No problem, because we have the Hilltip WeedStriker for you. This is an amazing tool for them who want a clean, eco-friendly way to tackle weeds. Its compact and sturdy design makes it super easy to load onto a van, pickup truck, trailer, or even with a forklift. Plus, it's fully electric, so it's quiet and easy on the environment. Using it is simple. Just turn on the heater, adjust the flow rate through a mobile phone control, and you're ready to go. It comes with everything you need, including a spray gun, weed control lance, and a 20-meter hose reel with automatic rewind. No hassle, no mess. To get rid of weeds, just spray hot water on them. No chemicals, no toxins, just pure water. It's safe, effective, and leaves the surface ready for immediate use. Now, here comes a tool that will be ideal for them who value efficiency and safety. The Ingco AHM112, a compact solution for professionals of welding, metal fabrication, and construction field. With its automatic on and off feature and lightning-fast switch time of less than half a millisecond, it ensures seamless transitions from light to dark, perfect for demanding tasks. Designed to operate in temperatures ranging from -5 to 55 degrees Celsius, this tool is built to handle tough conditions. The viewing area of 95 by 31 millimeters provides clear visibility, while the solar panel and dual lithium batteries ensure reliable power. With its lightweight cartridge size of 108 by 50.8 by 5 millimeters and dual sensors, this tool is as practical as it is durable. The Ingco AHM112 is the kind of innovative and dependable tool every professional can rely on to get the job done right. When it comes to tackling the toughest automotive jobs, the Matco MT3779 Rex Air Impact Wrench is your ultimate powerhouse. Delivering a jaw-dropping 1,700 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, this tool makes stubborn fasteners and lug nuts a thing of the past. Built tough yet lightweight at just 4.6 pounds, it's designed to minimize strain and allow easy access to tight spaces. The variable speed trigger offers precision and control, while the forward and reverse push button ensures smooth direction changes with maximum power in reverse. With a rapid 7,500 RPM and 1,250 blows per minute, it's a game changer for swift tire changes and demanding tasks. Add in the heavy-duty anvil for durability, a grease fitting for easy maintenance, and a composite body for reduced vibration, and you've got a tool that's as powerful as it is efficient. If you're tired of struggling with ladders or needing extra hands to hold heavy materials in place, the iToolco AllJack is here to lessen the hassle. This innovative tool is built to lift and support your workpieces, whether you're installing pipes, lights, drywall, cabinets, or even temporary dust barriers. With an impressive reach from 58 inches to a staggering 13 feet 6 inches, it easily handles high ceilings and tough angles. The industrial gas shock provides a snug and stable hold, keeping everything secure while you anchor your project into place. Once you're done, simply release the shock, and the AllJack comes right out, no sweat. It's far more powerful than a traditional support pole, making it the perfect solution for tackling challenging installations with ease and efficiency. To end our list, we have got a special tool for those tough tile removal jobs. Meet the Bihui Vibration Tile Beater. Powered by a 21-volt lithium-ion battery, this tool combines power and convenience, offering 6-speed settings via a digital control panel to tackle any task with precision. The Eco Grip handle ensures maximum comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. Plus, the suction cup boasts an impressive 35-kilogram lifting capacity, which makes it easier to remove tiles securely and efficiently. So, whether you're working on small or large areas, this tool gives professionals the performance they need for a quicker, more accurate job. Meet the King Tony 2747 DR, a screwdriver that may seem like a baby toy at first glance, but packs a serious punch and functionality. Its versatile ratchet design makes light work of screw-driving tasks, offering unparalleled flexibility in tight spaces. Navigate screws effortlessly from any angle with the swivel handle, while the forward-reverse mechanism enables swift transitions between tightening and loosening. Maneuver with finesse in even the narrowest of confines thanks to the 5-degree ratcheting gear, providing smooth operation. And with a 72-teeth ratchet, ensuring precision and control, every task becomes a breeze. This is the Rhino Cable Pulling Probe. It's the ultimate solution for solo cable installations, especially during wiring tasks. This tool is meticulously designed to handle electrical wires, cables, and optical fibers without the need for assistance from colleagues. Featuring a robust case and a range of accessories, it provides the versatility you've always desired. The expandable nozzle facilitates easy cable pulling through narrow wireways or pipes, while its user-friendly operation requires minimal effort. Simply place the Rhino cable puller in the desired location, give it a gentle touch, and let it take care of the rest. With Rhino by your side, cable pulling has never been easier or more efficient. Imagine you're in the middle of a tough welding job, sweat dripping down your face as you try to stay focused. But what if you could eliminate this discomfort and distraction? Here is the Jackson Translite Premium Welding Helmet, a tool with comfort and precision. Engineered with a lightweight and ergonomically balanced design, this helmet alleviates stress and fatigue, allowing you to concentrate fully on your welding tasks. Boasting a generous 12.47 square inches of viewing area, it provides unparalleled peripheral vision. With superior coverage, optical clarity rating, you'll enjoy maximum visibility and precision in every welding position. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it ensures optimal coverage, even when welding in challenging positions. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.